बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम।
शुरू अल्लाह के नाम से जो बड़ा मेहरबान निहायत रहम वाला है।
Assalamu alaikum guys. In this tutorial I will talk about car recovery Abu Dhabi. Car tuning 24/7. Vehicle transport or tuning services, just call us and help will be on the way. Our team of professional car tuning experts are skilled in ensuring that your car is tuned safely and securely. When you have car trouble, you need a professional to step in and take care of everything. You can call us without any hesitation. If you have any query, any problem, you can contact on these numbers that are displaying on the screen. This is a video you are watching related to the car recovery. The phone number is 0503074676. I repeat it, 0503074676. If you like it, please share with friends. The phone number is also showing on your screens. Please note it down. 0503074676. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.